There are many labs that have used these assemblies that have them for many, many years without any issues.
You know, if they've got a cable hooked up to a piece of test equipment and you take it down to the board and it gives you one signal, and then you move the cable and do it again and it gives you something different, that reflects back on their test equipment that they designed. So they need something that's going to give that consistent measurement all the time.
So they're very rugged construction. They have an outer armoured construction to them, which means you can stand on these things. There's even stories where a truck ran over one in the car park as an experiment, and the thing was still survived. It has a very strong armoured construction.
Rugged enough that it doesn't get damaged easily.
It maintains its performance over a long period of time. If you try and bend it, you can't bend the inner cable beyond its minimum bend radius, hence you can't damage it. All features that lend itself well to rugged use.
Well, for the customer that's using test assemblies for their own internal use, if the cable degrades and the signal degrades, they may not know it right away. And so they could be doing all kinds of testing and taking all kinds of measurements, not realizing that there's a problem.
Maintaining its performance over time, that's a real added benefit in terms of throughput, efficiency, reliability, accuracy. So it's an incredibly robust structure that can take the day-to-day abuse of an engineer in a lab just throwing these things around. Very robust.